Let's simplify square root 288. Let's begin with a factor tree, and this factor tree is fairly involved. We have 9 times 32. Then with the 9, we know we have 3 and 3. And what we're doing is we're getting all of the prime numbers that multiply together for 288. Now with 32, we have 8 times 4, and then 8 is 4 times 2. So let's circle the 2 because it is prime, and then 4 is 2 times 2. So we have 2 more prime numbers, and then this 4 is 2 times 2. So that's a 2, by the way. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s and 2 3s. So let's write all this under the square root sign. So we have 5 2s, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 3s, 1, 2. Since it's a square root, we can pull out pairs. So we have a pair of 2s. So we have 1, and then we have another pair of 2s. And then we have 1 pair of 3s. So we can pull out pairs since it's a square root. And then it looks like we still have a 2 underneath the square root sign. Then we can multiply these numbers. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 3 is 12. Square root 2. So there is simplified. If you would like to estimate decimal-wise, you can do this. Square root of 16 is 256 because it's not a perfect square, but you can get perfect squares close to it. And square root 17 is 289. 288 is right here, so you know it's going to be pretty much 16 and 9/10. So there is estimated. If you put it in the calculator, I think you get 16.97, etc., etc. I hope that was helpful.